it, shake it, shake it. They are so beautiful. Hey vlog! Guys, as you can tell already, today's video is going to be a vlog. We're gonna spend together a few hours through my day. I have quite a few things to do today, so you will be my company. I'm gonna start with the most important tasks first, you know, the ones that I have to get done by the end of the day no matter what, and then I will do my secondary tasks and so on. This is how I usually plan my day. I also have a planner and I will show you the one that I'm currently using. It's a really nice planner and you know, it's helped me a lot to organize my life and my day better, especially on busy days where I have many things to do. You know, a busy day can always be overwhelming. I am the person who, when I have many things to do in a day, I just get very frustrated and I don't really know where to start. But with this planner, I have learned to understand which tasks are the most important ones. So I will start with them, and only if I finish with those tasks, then I will move on with the rest. You know what I mean? So this is my morning appearance. Because it's been only 40 minutes since I woke up. I just did my skincare, drank some water and started filming this video. I haven't even had breakfast yet, so we're gonna make some breakfast together. Breakfast for me is my favorite and most important meal of the day. I just cannot start my day without breakfast. I cannot function. So let's make breakfast because we have quite a few things to get done today.
Start chatting it up a little bit every once in a while with the baristas. Because I go there a lot and I see the same. I love that one. And that might also be something that helps you, right? Feelings are genuine. Like, that's totally fine too, right? As long as you get.
Now it's time to write down all the things that I have to do today. This is the planner that I was talking about earlier on the video. Productivity planner, and it's the intelligentchange.com. This is what it looks like. So the first thing you do is to write down the things that you're grateful for, which is a very important thing to do first thing in the morning. On the first few days it's gonna feel a little bit odd because you're not gonna be sure what to write, but once you get into it, you're gonna get better and better. And next, like I said, write down the most important tasks, then the secondary tasks of importance. And I also do this last part down here before I go to bed. You write down the highlight of the day, what did I learn today, and what do I want to remember from today. I made myself an almond milk vanilla flavor matcha latte. I'm switching between matcha tea and coffee at the moment. And if you ask me, I will tell you that I am a matcha tea kind of girl, but I also like a really nice coffee sometimes. And also I change it to some decent clothes. So before I start filming for my Instagram, I want to show you a couple of things that I bought recently and arrived earlier today. So first, we have this beauty drink powder. This helps a lot with your skin. It is supposed to make your skin looks very glowy, and it helps a lot with irritation, and it's supposed to clean your skin if you have any breakouts. It also has anti-wrinkles ingredients, which we love that, especially if you are 25 like me or over 25. You should just start taking care of your skin a little bit more. So it's enriched with collagen peptides, zinc, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, grapeseed extract with vitamins B3, B2 and B7, and also retinol. I bought this one in the flavor strawberry lemonade. It's sugar free, but of course it has sweeteners. So hopefully it won't be that sweet because I don't really like very sweet drinks. And also I bought a new shaker. It doesn't smell great, not gonna lie. Hopefully it will taste better. So you're supposed to mix 1 scoop of these with 200 to 300 milliliters of water. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. It definitely tastes better than it smells. You can taste the lemonade and the strawberry at the same time, and it's not that sweet, which I love because I don't really like sweet drinks. Okay, I also have here a few more things that I want to show you. So first of all, I just opened this beer package that I got from Halara. They sent me all these goodies, so many things. I cannot really show you what I got because I'm filming a haul for them, so stay tuned for that. But I can give you a sneak peek. Let's see what we have here. Look at these pants. So happy! And let's do one more. Okay, I think I will do this one. I am so excited, guys. Next, I want to show you these sneakers right here that have my heart. Guys, these are the most beautiful sneakers ever. I will come closer so you can see it better. So this is what they look like. They are so beautiful. I don't know about you guys, but wearing pink and red at the same time for me is one of my favorite combos. This is definitely not the right way to show you, but I bought them from ASOS. I think they're still available, so I will have the link in the description box. Next, I want to show you this dreamy set with this dreamy color. It is from Honor Active, as always. All my gymwear sets are from Honor Active. We have the leggings and also this sports bra. This color with a tan. Chef's kiss. Next, I want to show you these 4 products that I bought. I will come a little bit closer. So we have the L'Oreal Glotion Natural Glow Enhancer. If you have watched my makeup videos, I've talked about this product a lot, so you know how much I like it. Also, if you watched my last video, you probably have seen all these makeup products already because I'm filming this vlog before that video. But I'm gonna show you anyway. I also bought this L'Oreal Plumping Tinted Serum, another product that I use a lot. And I also bought this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. If you're an OG, you definitely know about this mascara, how good it is. Okay guys, so now it's time to film some content for my Instagram. I like to film all my content for my socials early in the morning so I can get my work done early, and also I have time to fix anything I want. So I'm gonna give you a taste of what it looks like, how I film my content for my Instagram. Just a little bit behind the scenes. So this is where I usually film all my reels. I like to have a plain white background, so this wall is perfect. Also, I'm filming in my living room because it has the perfect lighting here, but I still use this lighting because I need something extra on my face. And here I have all my makeup, the ones that I'm going to use today. I'm gonna go change into some different clothes. I will do my hair and I'll be right back. I'm back. This is the reality behind the scenes when I film a makeup reel. I just change my top, do my hair, and I wear comfy bottoms. Hi again, it is a few hours later. I finished filming for my Instagram and I also went to my mom's because I wanted to see my sister's dog. It's a guy, a Frenchie, and he's only 6 months old. His name is Milo and he's so cute and so adorable. I just love him so much, and honestly I cannot spend a day without spending a few hours with him. I just miss him so much. So I'm about to do now something that I wanted to do for a while. If you could see my house now, you would freak out. I haven't given my house a proper clean for 2 weeks now. Before you judge me and before you say anything, I will explain myself. I had the busiest 2 weeks ever, so cleaning my house was the last thing I wanted to do, trust me. So I decided to do it today. There are so many stuff everywhere and so many clothes here and there, and the floor is definitely dirty. I'm gonna show you in a minute what I mean. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna spend the next 2 hours, and I'm gonna take you with me. So I'm gonna start from here. I'm gonna tidy everything up, and then we're gonna move on with the rest of the house. And here is my very messy room. This is the last room that I'm going to clean today. I have so much laundry. I have to put the laundry away. I have to change my bed sheets and make my bed. And I want to clean everything up. Let's do it, we're almost there. This feeling after you have cleaned your whole house is irreplaceable for me. I feel so much more relieved now. And also, I don't know if you have heard this saying that goes like, tidy space, tidy mind. And I couldn't agree more, guys. Now I'm gonna sit on my computer and I have to do a lot of work here. I have to edit my reels, I have to send some emails, and also have to do some editing for my YouTube. So I will definitely spend 2 or 3 more hours sitting on my computer and doing all this work. And also after I'm done, I'm gonna go to the gym. This is going to be the last thing of my day. So guys, I think I'm gonna close this video here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. The main idea was to spend a few hours with me through my day, and I really enjoyed it. Let me know if you like it and if you want me to create more videos like this. I'm gonna love you and leave you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. You can also find me on Instagram. I post there daily. And I will hopefully see you to my next video.